It's time for our story. Remember yesterday we were reading this story, Sun Up, Sun Down by Gail Gibbons? We're going to continue it today. We read half of it yesterday. Today we're going to read the second half. Front cover, back cover, and spine. Let's do our vocabulary words first. Are you ready? Here we go. Hot, hot. Here for this word in our story. All these vocabulary words are in your story, okay? Rain, rain. Cold, cold. Shadow, shadow. Outside, if you stand where the sun is, you might see your shadow. After it rains, you might see a rainbow. Rainbow. In the morning, especially today, the sun was shining. Shine. And the sun is out today. Sun. Sun. Energy. Energy. The sun is giving the house energy. See these? These are solar panels. Energy. And also in our book, we talk about seasons. Seasons. There are 4 seasons. A fall, winter, spring, and summer. Seasons. Let's get started with the second half of our book. Let me see. Oh, there it is. So yesterday, this is the part where we ended at, so I'm going to reread that part to you. While I'm eating, I asked my parents a question. How far away is the sun? My mother tells me it's very far away, 93 million miles from our planet Earth. Boy, that's far. She says it's a very big star. It looks bigger than the other stars because it's closer to us. My dad said the sun is a ball of very hot glowing gases. It keeps our planet warm. So if we didn't have the sun, we would freeze and our plants would not grow. Let's see what's next. He says our earth would be dark and very cold if there was no sun. It would also be empty. Nothing could live on it. After lunch, I go outside. My shadow is back again, but now it points to the east. The sun is moving west behind me. So remember, the sun rotates. That means it goes around the planet. So it moves. So our shadow moves. Let's see what's next. Suddenly, big clouds begin to cover the sun. My shadow is gone again. Over in the valley, the sun peeks through the clouds, making shadows on the ground. See, here they are. More clouds come. They are gray and black. It becomes dark. A raindrop hits my nose, and I run home. I don't think she wants to get wet. So the clouds are too heavy. That's why it's raining. I hear the rain on the roof of my house. My dad says the sun helps make rain so that we can have fresh water to drink and so that plants and trees can grow. He tells me that when the sun shines on our ocean, lakes and rivers, it warms the water. Some of the water turns into vapor and rises into the sky. Ooh, that's neat, isn't it? The cooler air up in the sky turns the vapor into tiny raindrops. Clouds are formed. The raindrops float higher up into colder air. They become bigger and bigger. Finally, when the drops are heavy and big enough, the drops fall and it rains. See? See how dark that is? That means it's heavy. The cloud can't carry all that water anymore. Soon the storm clouds begin to drift away. Although it is still sprinkling, the sun appears once again and shines through the raindrops. I see a beautiful rainbow. My mom says the light of the sun shining through the raindrops makes a rainbow. Isn't that great? Look at all the colors of the rainbow. Oh, there's a fun song about rainbows. Maybe we'll do that next time. She tells me the sunlight looks white, but it really isn't. It's made of many colors. When a beam of light shines through a glass, triangle called a prism. The beam of light is bent. Some of the rays of the beam bend more than others, separating light into different colors. The drops of water are like the prism. When sunbeams shine through the raindrops, that we see a rainbow. I see green, I see yellow, I see orange, I see red. When I go outside, my shadow is long and skinny. The sun is settling in a western sky. It is getting cooler outside. The sun is leaving for today, and sky is getting dark. My dad tells me the sun will shine on the other side of our planet while I'm asleep. He says the earth spins round and round and makes a complete turn once every 24 hours. When our part of the earth faces the sun, it is day. When it's turned away from the sun, it is night. It is night now. The sun is down. The sky is dark. It is time to sleep. And these are sunny facts. That the sun is 400 times farther away from the earth, and the sun is hollow, and millions of earths all inside. That's how big it is. And here, the moon passes between the sun and the earth. That's called a solar eclipse. And you'll learn about that when you get older. And that the sun is very, very old. And that some people use energy to heat their homes and for electricity. And here, these are called solar panels, you see? You see them on top of houses. Oh, that was interesting, huh, Miss Mary?
Yes, it was.
I'm so glad we learned about the sun. Friends, have a nice day, and I hope you enjoyed our video. And don't forget, be happy being you.